Hey, what's up, guys? Playing Happy Wheels on Total Jerk Phase, and I'm playing on some browsed levels, and I don't actually know which one to start with. I'm just gonna start with Sword Throw. Okay, so I'm gonna read it all out. So, Sword Throw by K. Halid45. Author's comments: not hard, is it? Oh, doesn't I don't know what that's supposed to say. Okay, let's be a character. Let's go Segway Stephen. Okay. I should be able to grab this knife. Well, that was a fail. Get me or kill me. That's been a fail because I can't really grab him from there. Can't catch me. That's what you think. Why did I put the knife back? Ooh, oh my god, the handle was through it so fast the handle went through her face. Die, bitch. Oh, fuck. No, fall. Yes, fall. Please. Yes. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I can't reach that guy up there. Fuck. I'm gonna run out of knives soon if I don't keep my head. Yo, hey! Now what do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna quit because I finished and it's not letting me finish. Okay, so my Happy Wheels video is gonna be like 10 minutes long, so probably 2 minutes, 10 minutes, because when I make like 16-15 minutes videos, they don't turn out very well. Let's play a mission called Go Segway Guy by Ilya, isn't that French? Ilya 656. Let's play. Okay. It says go. Go. Oh, that was a fail. Go, go, go. What am I supposed to do? What the fuck? Die. Die, you cunt. Oh no, I got it stuck in his ass. Oh no! Get it out. Am I supposed to be a firefighter? I want my axe. I want my axe. Restart. You're coming with me. I gotta wait if I do a backflip. Come on. Come on. I could maybe pull myself. Oh, damn it. God. This is so impossible. Oh, what? Snap my leg. Oh, the fail. Why are you putting an axe? Oh, yeah, bitch. Oh my god, I just landed on fire extinguisher and I can't get down. Maybe if I try to kick over the axe. I can't get over the axe. This is so funny. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Oh, yeah. I need to crawl. Yeah. That's physically impossible for me. Okay. Next one. Hardcore by Limb Crusher. Can you survive? Maybe. Okay. I'm being shot in the arse with arrows. I'm trying to jump over this knife. Axes, I mean. Can I survive? Oh, wait. Take no prisoners. Come on, maybe I could jump over, so. Seriously, dude. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, Dang it. Oh, son of a biscuit. I love Tobuscus's videos that he does for you. He more or less inspired me to do tutorials. But I was having problems like setting the camera up. I found a way to put it down. It's very complicated. I might as well tell you. Okay, this is actually gay because it's actually called gay, and there's just a bunch of old men fooling. The best gay of the world. What is that supposed to mean? Hell by Daniel 1999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apparently the author's comments know how to count now. Brilliant. Why not share it in the comments? I will be doing like part 1s and part 2s. JB is gay. Apparently. Justin Bieber. Get off my dick! Get off me, you demented child! Get off me, you faggotron! Where'd I go? This way. Oh yeah! Snap you, JB! Somebody likes you, Justin Bieber. No offense to Justin Bieber fans. I just really don't like him. He lashed out that cameraman. Has anyone even seen that video? Nobody likes him. Has anyone ever seen the other video where he gets hit in the head with the water bottle? No offense to you, Justin Bieber fans, if you actually do like him, but next time that man really should have used a brick. It's just my thoughts. Sorry. Press Z and grab him. Oh yes, I put him in a bin. Oh, that's nice. A little kid and his father internet justing me. Internet justing. Justing. Justice. Yeah, I'll save you. I'll save myself. What the fuck's going on? Are they oh my god, they fixed. Oh, that's gay. Okay, that was WWE fight by Duskus 200106111. Jesus, his name's so hard to say, I can't even breathe. Ultimate Payback by Satchgamun Lawnmower Man. Intense lawnmower chase with an epic ending. Should be epic, hopefully. Okay, we're 7 minutes into this. I might have to pause it at 10. Help. Don't move, sucker. Yeah, I got a better lawnmower than you. It's green. Oh, what? That's sad. Can I play now? Can I play now? I mean, seriously. Oh, dick. Can I go now? That was classic. Okay, after them. Please slow down. No, thank you. I would like to go fast. Because I'm awesome. And I'm allowed to go fast. Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, I never knew a fat lawnmower man would have so much fun. Bear traps. Oh, yeah. Just what I needed. Bear traps. Brilliant. Oh, fuck. Oh, my back. Oh. Did anyone hear that? Lawnmower man just went, ow, ow, ow. I didn't just get a regular ow. Oh, I got 3 notifications on my Facebook. Maybe I'll check that later. Seriously. Oh yeah, really, because this is very important. Because there's really going to be crossbows in the trees. Oh no, my face. Oh no, I fell. Oh, speed up. How am I supposed to speed up with the bear trap in my ass? I'm just gonna fall down the hill. He's doing cartwheels. What the hell? Prepare. Yes, I can see that. Very big. Oh no! 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 Oh, you stupid biscuit lawnmower. Let me light screen. I'm just gonna how am I supposed to eject right now? I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm just sliding down the hill. Oh no. No. Just keep pushing me, lawnmower. Even though I'm not gonna finish this, I might as well just see what happens. Like, eject it now. Yeah, I have ejected. I'm on the floor. Oh, that's right. That's wonderful. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm probably gonna be making another video, but luckily I just finished in time. I hope you enjoyed, and remember to like, give it a subscribe, and comment on your ideas. My back is now hurting by sitting and playing this, but I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching, guys. Until the next video. I may be making a how to make levels on the build your own level. So I'll probably be making one today. So thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.